Hello vendors, welcome back to another tutorial on Osaze. Today, I will be walking you through how to optimize your products for search engines like Google. Before we get started, let's define what search engine optimization is. In simple terms, search engine optimization is the process of making your products more visible and accessible to users searching for products like yours on the internet. Let's get started. First, sign into your vendor account and go to Products on your dashboard. Then, select a product you would like to edit. Click on Edit and scroll down to the new section called SEO. If you already have a product description on the website, you may simply copy and paste into this section, and then clean up the details. Our platform automatically shows you a preview of what it's going to look like. Once finished, you may also edit your title to provide a more descriptive context. You can insert variables to save you from typing. And that's it. SEO takes a while to show outcomes, but the rewards are definitely worth it. Don't forget to save your product and tell your friends to buy your products. Thanks for watching.